Yo, boy! Dude, that's perfect. What is up, Superior crew? It's Stevie from Blackout Detail back here getting ready to showcase the A42 Kit. We're here at the Bays in O'Fallon and we're gonna showcase all of the staples from Superior, from interior, exterior. We're talking road grime, pre-soak, cherry foam, all the goodies. So stay tuned, here we go. Perfect, we've got some dirty tires here. Already can see we got a lot of road grime up towards the half panels, which is gonna be great for a pre-soak and a contact wash. Oh boy. You guys are always complaining about not having dirty cars. There you go. Under here, oh, we got the mother load. Let's go. I'll probably do Muscle Magic first to do the engine bay. And then we'll do Dark Fury for wheels and tires, then Road Warrior, then Cherry Foam, then this, then Interior, then Gloss. This is a perfect degreaser. We're gonna use this for the engine bay. I like to do the engine bay first. Dark Fury already says on there, wheel bug cleaner. So that's what we're gonna use it for, wheels and bugs. Got plenty of bird poop on there. Then we're gonna use Road Warrior. This is our concentrated heavy duty soap and degreaser. We're gonna use that as a pre-soak to strip all of the stuff that's stuck to the car before we actually go for a contact wash with our cherry foam concentrated wash soap. Once you get the car nice and clean, you're gonna hit it with a little bit of spray wax from the Formula 4, get that water sheeting, beading action. Then we're gonna come to the interior and hit it with a Pink Perfection, which is a perfect concentrated cleaner? Interior cleaner. And then you got your tire and interior dressing just for that cherry on the top. You could do the tire gloss, you could do the interior protectant, that nice sheen and shine. Boom. Chef's kiss. With Muscle Magic, this is your concentrated degreaser. Got a 32-ounce bottle here. This is an 8-ounce sample bottle, so you're gonna need 6 of the 8 ounces to go 4-to-1. The nice thing about these sample bottles is where the label lands at the bottom is roughly 2 ounces left, pre-measured for you without actually being measured. There you go. So you see them at the bottom of the label. So 4-to-1 in here. And you're gonna mix it well and you're ready to use. I'm just gonna coat everything, let the product do the work. Everything that's coated in here. This one's so dirty, I probably do it twice. I'm gonna do it once to knock off this top layer. We'll rinse it off and then we'll come back and do it one more time. If you have like a really dirty car, you can also put Muscle Magic in a foam cannon and do the same thing. You're gonna apply it to the engine, you're gonna apply it to wheels, tires, mats even. So you're just gonna foam this on. It helps with the product to dwell a lot longer. So for this, I just went ahead and used 4-to-1. When you use it in a foam cannon, it's gonna dilute it just a little bit further down. But that way you can use it for degreasing and your engine base. So another great use of Muscle Magic is as a degreaser, obviously. So we're gonna put it in here, let it dwell, loosen everything up. And you can use your brush for agitation. our Road Warrior, which is our, I like to use this as a pre-soak. It's a perfect degreaser. I like to put it in a foam cannon. This helps bring off all the road grime, contaminants, etc. that are stuck onto the paint before you actually come through with the contact wash. So it helps just remove all of that stuff and preserve your paint in the long run. So I'm gonna just mix it basically 50-50 in this foam cannon. Put about 4 ounces in there, half the bottle. The rest is water. Put in this foam cannon, mix it well, and we'll apply it and we'll let it dwell on here for a couple minutes and then we'll spray it off. All right, so Road Warrior, again, perfect degreaser, helps remove that traffic film that gets stuck on the lower parts of the panels. It's also great for a strip wash. If you're gonna ceramic coat or even just apply a protection, it helps remove anything that's on the paint, so you got a fresh, clean canvas. Dark Fury, this is a perfect wheel and tire cleaner. You can also use it for bugs, you can use it for mud, you can use it for floor mats. I like to use this one 4-to-1, you can use it up to 10-to-1. Just be careful with this one in the sun. That's the only recommendation I would have. You don't want it to dry. So for a 4-to-1, for this 32-ounce bottle, we just need 6 ounces. This is an 8-ounce sample bottle, so you just need 6 of the 8 ounces. And if you get down to the bottom of the label, you got roughly 2 ounces left. There's your dilution. The rest is filled with water. Shake it up and you're ready to go. All right, so for Dark Fury, you're just gonna apply this and let the product do the work. So we're gonna add it to the tires, add it to the wheels, put it in your wheel wells. Just get everything coated and let the product do the work. Once you let it dwell, you're gonna go ahead and scrub everything down. This is gonna be a great product that's gonna help remove the tire blooming, contaminants that get into your tire, helps remove any old tire dressing. Another great use of Dark Fury is floor mats. You can see this one's already pretty caked, so we're gonna pre-rinse it, apply our product, scrub it down, rinse it off. All right, so next up is cherry foam. Now this is the perfect contact wash. You can use it in a foam cannon, you can use it in a bucket, so versatile, very concentrated. What I like to do is, we got 16 ounces of water in here. Let's add 4 ounces of soap, roughly half the bottle because it's an 8-ounce sample bottle. And again, if you want to use it in a contact wash in your bucket, you're just gonna add a couple ounces of that in your bucket. And you'll get some nice suds in your bucket. Just like that. All right, and then apply it on. All right, next up is Formula 4. This is a perfect concentrated drying aid. If you guys haven't heard of this product, you got to get your hands on it. It's highly dilutable, and wait till you see the results. So for this, you can dilute it up to 10:1. This is one of those products where you see instant results. So what is a drying agent, you may ask? Drying agent is perfect if you're working your car in the sun. You can see for this truck has no protection on it. The water sticks to the panel, which makes it really difficult when you want to try to actually dry it with a towel. So this gives you a little bit of protection, but it also just helps you when you come back with your towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the panel, and you're going to see it instantly sheet the water. See how you can tell the water's already running off? And what you want to do once you apply it is just instantly spray it with your water. And you've got a panel that's 90% dry by the time you come around with the towel. So you can also use this on glass. Helps just sheet that water right off. Oh, look at that. While we're here, big shout out to the bays. If you guys never been here, look at all this. Got all this equipment, power washer, blower. Just bring your own towel, bring your own chemicals. Sheesh, that was a long drive. Next up is the Pink Perfection. This is a concentrated all-purpose cleaner. Guys, this is phenomenal. You're gonna use it everywhere. I use it in my house, I use it in the car, I use it everywhere. So, can be diluted to whatever you need. You can use it all the way up to 30:1. You can use it, you don't really need to use it straight. For interiors, you can use it 10:1. So this all-purpose cleaner is gonna be used for your dash, doors, leather, vinyl. You could even use it on carpets, floor mats, fabrics, etc. So today we're going to do 10:1. So we need 3 ounces in this bottle here for a 32-ounce bottle. There we go. Clean looking pinkish color, not too dark. Too dark, too strong. So we're going to knock out this door panel and do this floorboard. You can do anything and everything in here. So prime up our bottle. Spray it in here. Let everything. I like to get everything coated. Let it dwell. We're working inside, so we don't have to worry about it drying out. This truck actually has vinyl floors, so we're actually going to use our drill brush to make sure we get in there. Spray things down. Use your drill brush. All right, so all-purpose cleaner, really great job here on this really dirty truck. All right, last but not least is your Protectant dressing. You can use this for tires, you can use this interior. This is really good. Also highly concentrated, so dilute this up to 10:1 if you like a nice matte finish. You can use it straight if you like to use it tires, anywhere in between for engine bays, etc. So today we're gonna go 10:1. So we just need ounces. So this stuff's real thick. You'll notice when it comes out of the bottle, that's how concentrated it is. It likely will float to the bottom of your water. Just make sure you shake it up before you use it. Kind of milky, okay? If you like it stronger, it's gonna look a little bit like this. This is 3:1, a little more green. Both options, just depends on your preference. I'm gonna add it to our applicator. And this is really prominent on, you know, black trim. This is great. Even on your gray stuff that you're not going to be able to tell the difference, is going to add a layer of protection for you. So, you know, the dirt, the grime, the fingerprints, etc. It also helps you hide the blemishes. If you've got scratches, scuffs. All right, another thing I like to use Aqua Gloss for, I actually use it as a spray gun because you get more coverage, but today we're gonna apply it to this engine bay for an extra layer of protection. Oh man, that tire's just not gonna work. You know, we're trying to show you guys some really good results. Oh, snap. Whoa, look what we got over here. So, we got some nice black GMC Sierra rims over here. Got our tire shine. We're gonna add one to, just straight onto this applicator pad. Mesh it in and just spread it out. So using a water-based dressing like this really helps prevent your sling. And with the versatility of this product, you can, you know, this is straight, so it's gonna be a little bit shinier. If you want it more matte, just dilute it further down. And using an applicator helps prevent it, you getting any kind of overspray onto your rims. All right, so there you go. There's the A42 kit. This is all the staples for both interior and exterior. We showed you pre-soak, wheels, tires, engine bay, gloss, protectant. Like, we're talking about the works here, guys. So check out the A42 kit, all of the staples that you need for a full detail inside and outside. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. I mean, this looks pretty good. Considering where it started, we had all that road grime up the side, we had dirty tires, we had bird poop on the hood. I mean, the interior, talk about dust, that engine bay, came out pretty good. Pretty good considering the condition. I'm happy with it.